I really enjoyed the training today because I got to know my colleagues and I really got to see their personality shine today, and that really helped me to understand that we're in this together and that we're going to work together to accomplish a great goal here in Putnam County.
I was really looking forward to the training today, and it did not disappoint. I had a lot of fun. It's probably one of the best trainings I've done in years.
What I was hoping to gather from this training was the truth about my personality and why I mesh so well with my team.
My aha moment was discovering me.
So my aha moment was discovering how I need to be more open to asking for help for people who are of the different colors.
We all have those various colors. We have a strength of one and one stronger than the other, but all of them really come together to form who we are as a person and who we are as a team in our school.
Pretty much the time just flew by. We were getting a lot of information. We had a lot of activities to make sure everybody was up and at them. And again, it was extremely informative, and I would probably suggest all companies take advantage of this.
I'm gonna implement what I learned from the training in how I teach, how I deal with my students.
I think it'll help me meet the needs of my kids better by communicating with them better, as well as my coworkers.
I'll implement what I learned in the training with better understanding my team. So of course we can work like a well-oiled machine, but also being able to identify certain students, identify their needs, where they struggle, and things like that personality-wise, so I can learn how to react more effectively.
What I learned today in the training, I will take back to the classroom and into our meetings, as well as at home. I believe in the science behind it, and thank you for helping me understand who I am.
And the time went by like that, but it was awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you.